Another day, another story.
Call you in the morning, okay?
Hello and welcome to Weight Loss Teachers. Today, we're going to talk about how to lose weight in your face. Many people struggle with excess fat in their face, which can be frustrating and affect their self-confidence. Fortunately, there are several ways to reduce facial fat and achieve a slimmer, more defined face. So, if you're curious about how to lose weight in your face, keep watching. For more updates on weight loss, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Weight Loss Teachers. Number 1. Maintain a healthy diet. One of the most effective ways to lose weight in your face is by maintaining a healthy diet. A balanced diet that is low in processed foods, sugar, and saturated fats can help reduce overall body fat, including facial fat. Eating plenty of fruits and vegetables can also provide your body with essential vitamins and minerals, which can help improve your skin's health and reduce inflammation. Number 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water can also help reduce facial fat. Water helps to flush out toxins from the body, which can contribute to bloating and puffiness in the face. Staying hydrated can also help keep your skin looking healthy and plump. Number 3. Cardiovascular exercise. Cardiovascular exercise is a great way to burn calories and reduce overall body fat. Activities like running, cycling, and swimming can help you lose weight in your face, as well as other areas of your body. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio exercise 5 times a week. Number 4. Facial exercises. Facial exercises can help tone the muscles in your face and reduce the appearance of facial fat. Some effective exercises include cheek lifts, lip pulls, and jaw releases. To perform cheek lifts, simply smile and lift your cheeks towards your eyes. Hold the position for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. For lip pulls, pucker your lips and stretch them upwards towards your nose. Hold for 5 seconds and repeat 10 times. And for jaw releases, sit with your mouth closed and your lips together. Then, slowly open your mouth and move your jaw up and down as if you were chewing.
Call you in the morning, okay?
Repeat 10 times. Number 5. Reduce sodium intake. High sodium intake can cause water retention in the face, leading to puffiness and bloating. To reduce facial fat, try to limit your sodium intake to no more than 2,300 milligrams per day. Avoid processed and packaged foods, which are often high in sodium. In conclusion, losing weight in your face is possible with the right diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes. Remember, it's important to maintain a healthy and balanced lifestyle to achieve long-term results. Be patient and consistent with your efforts, and you'll see a slimmer and more defined face in no time. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.